What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up and use game mode on iOS 18 to boost your iPhone's performance for gaming. Apple introduced game mode in iOS 18 as a way to enhance your gaming experience by improving both performance and responsiveness. Once activated, game mode minimizes background activity, giving your games more system resources like GPU and CPU, which leads to smoother gameplay and better frame rates. Luckily, game mode on iOS 18 is automatic. It kicks in as soon as you launch any game. But if for some reason you want to turn it off or on manually, you can do that by accessing the control center. Here's how you can use this feature. Make sure you have iOS 18 installed on your iPhone. If you're still on an older version, follow these steps to update. Head to your settings and tap on General. Then select Software Update. If iOS 18 is available, you'll see an option to download and install. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has more than 50% battery life before starting the update. With iOS 18 installed, launch a game and game mode will automatically activate. You will see a notification at the top indicating that game mode is on. If you want to turn it off while playing, you can tap on the game mode notification and toggle it off from there. What game mode does is go beyond just reallocating resources. It also optimizes your Bluetooth connections for controllers and AirPods. This means you'll experience less lag when using wireless controllers, making it ideal for action-packed or competitive games. Additionally, game mode reduces audio latency with AirPods, so sound effects and dialogue remain in sync with the visuals. By utilizing game mode in iOS 18, you can enjoy a much smoother and immersive gaming experience, especially for graphic-heavy titles like Genshin Impact or even lighter games like Subway Surfers. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.